This is Dr. Pramod Kotmere. I belongs to School of Mechanical Engineering, MIT Academy of Engineering, Alandi, Pune. Today we will be presenting a recorded video where the student will get exposed to a deformation on a given conduit. Now this video is recorded by one of my capstone portfolio student for his project whose name is Mr. Rishikesh Chaudhary. He belongs to Jalgaon. Currently he is working with me for his capstone project and he belongs to final year BTech Mechanical Engineering program. In this video what we have explored is when a load is acted on a given surface for a given conduit, how the deformation will take place or how the shear will be acting for a given conduit in the direction of force. So through which we will get to know the static structural analysis for a given cube or for a given conduit. Thank you.